Your question is,
Listen very carefully.
when does beauty become a curse? Again, when does beauty become a curse?
First and foremost, I just would like to give everyone a
Yan.
bird's eye.
Welcome sa The Pageant TV. Huwag mong kakalimutan mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para update ka sa mga video na gagawin ko.
Yvonne Willis.
Oh, di ba? Nag-change na ng costume. Ibang aura na naman.
That's it.
So, how are you now?
I'm doing great. I actually didn't expect to be on the top 5 finalists because most of the time pageants are very much subjective. They tend to look at the physical and what is superficial. Mostly here in the Philippines, the standard of beauty is white, straight, long hair, and not the skin color. But I very much appreciate it here in the US. I think this place is quite diverse, inclusive, and with so much love and equality. Thank you so much.
All right, that's not yet the answer that we want from you for this evening. Your question is,
Listen very carefully.
when does beauty become a curse? Again, when does beauty become a curse?
First and foremost, I just would like to give everyone a bird's eye view about beauty. Beauty is subdivided into two genres, the physical beauty and the inner beauty. When we speak of what is superficial, what you see in the outside, the crooked teeth, a beautiful nose, a sparkling eyes, or a beautiful skin. But when we talk about beauty from the inside, it is what radiates from the outside, composing compassion, kindness, unconditional love, and resiliency. Going back to the question, when does beauty become curse? When you use beauty for your self-vested interest. For example, you're using a beautiful woman's picture over the internet in order to get money from a foreigner. Makes sense. Second, you're using your beauty to break someone's family or marriage, and that is very wrong. And it's one of the big state in the Bible. And last example, you are chasing so much for perfection with beauty without your budget, and you're longing for so much. It's really hard to chase for perfection. Ladies and gentlemen, beauty is the beautiful factor in our society because I firmly believe if you have beauty, there's hope. If you have hope, there's harmony. There's harmony. We can transform this place a beautiful haven to live on. Thanks so much.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala po bang pagkain dyan? Joke lamang po. Maayong gabi, Digos City! Wearing the Hugyaw sa Kadagatan Festival of Lanao del Norte, I am your most beautiful mythical sea creature who believes that it's not about how the big and extravagant your costume is. It's about how simple and how you give life, projection, and of course, honor to the costume you are wearing. I am your reigning Miss Gay Skin Magical, your Miss Gay Philippines Queen of Amaca, and your newly crowned Queen Glamorosa. Filipina Spanish American, this is Kirk Vertudozu Popiolek 20, proudly representing from the Timber City of the South, the ancient kingdom. Just like what they say, there is no Philippines, but there is Butuan City! But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of the woman who was not destined to conquer the world, but the entire universe. I'm your Filipina-Australian beauty queen who sees situation with a silver lining. But di niyo po subukang palakpakan ang nag-iisang Miss Universe 2018. Catriona Elisa Magnayon Gray, Philippines! This is Catriona Gray saying, if you think you like me, come and text me 0965-5588-772. Once again, 0965-5588-772. Again, 0965-5588-772. For the very last time, 0965-5588-772. Open to all TM and Globe subscribers. Malay nyo, sa makalawa, tuition nyo, abot ko na. Thank you!
I careful not to confuse myself with excellence and perfection. Excellence that I can reach for, perfection is the God's business. Digo Seños, you better stop, look, and listen. Because a moment from now, this not so beautiful, as they say, and not the basic basis of beauty, would definitely capture the hearts of everybody. Standing in front of you is the pride of our Humlad tribe of, I am 40% Aita of Negros Occidental.
the very first transgender woman, Aita, to have conquered different national pageants. I am a self-advocate for HIV, a peer educator. I am a helper for different advocacies, a travel and leisure blogger, a graduate, a Bachelor of Science in Education, major in English at West Negros University, na nagsasabing, may timan ako sa inyong paningin. Huwag na huwag niyo akong mamaliitin. Dahil sa ganitong patimpalak, may negrang tatatak. Oy, 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 ngirit-diri, ngitong panit, Dinagyang Festival of Iloilo.